Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make guacamole salsa. First, select 3 ripe avocados, about 1 pound of tomatillos, and 1 jalapeno. You'll also need a small bunch of fresh cilantro, half a small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and the juice of 1 lime. These core ingredients form the delicious base of your vibrant salsa. Make sure your avocados are perfectly ripe for a creamy texture. Next, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the tomatillos and jalapeno on a baking sheet and roast for 15 to 20 minutes until they are soft and slightly charred. Once cooled, combine the roasted vegetables, garlic, onion, and cilantro in a blender. Blend until smooth, adding a tablespoon or 2 of water if the mixture is too thick to achieve your desired consistency. Now, it's time to combine everything. In a large bowl, mash your 3 ripe avocados until they are mostly smooth but still have some texture. Pour the blended tomatillo mixture over the mashed avocado. Add the juice of 1 lime and season with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Stir everything together gently until well combined. Taste and adjust the salt or lime juice as necessary to perfect the flavor. Your delicious homemade guacamole salsa is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite tortilla chips, tacos, or as a topping for grilled meats. For best results, consume within a few hours. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Remember to check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other great deals. This book offers valuable insights into managing your money effectively. A truly worthwhile read.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.